As a professor of marketing, I am always astounded by the quality and innovation that marketers from libraries, museums and archives bring to this event. There's some great practice of marketing taking place across Wales, and I'm pleased to say, you know, we have in the room, I think, the best protagonists of that practice. Right now, as far as marketing is concerned, with the amount of technology that we've got, which will enable us to engage with an audience like never before, which will enable us to understand an audience like never before. It's such an exciting time to do this stuff, to be in marketing, to take our library collections, our archive collections and the things that we have in our most marvellous museums, to take those to what we call in the commercial world, to take them to market. So if we're in a new golden age of information, be it through libraries, museums, archives and social media, people need to know that they can find that truthful resource in libraries. They need to know it exists. And to do that, you need great marketing.